Welcome to Ask Auntie, the show where I answer whatever questions you send me. So today my niece River wants to know why her dog likes to roll in dead things and poop, but gets really upset when she washes it off with good smelling soaps. So first off, I know what you're thinking. I said that there would be limited poop science after the sloth science, which if you haven't seen, you should totally check out. But, pun intended, anywhere that there's science in kids, there's bound to be poop talk. So we're just gonna unpack this thing, okay? Now we all know that dogs' noses are sensitive. In fact, they are 10 to 100,000 times more acute than the human sense of smell. But that being said, humans domesticated dogs around 15,000 years ago. So rolling in stinky smells is likely an evolutionary hangover from their days as wild predators. One of the most widely known theories is that dogs do this to cover up their own scent, to hide from prey or other predators. Wolves, in fact, are seen doing this while they hunt, and in studies have been shown to select foreign smells like oil, perfume, or the feces of larger carnivores to roll in, which would show that rather than trying to hide their scent, they may in fact be trying to camouflage themselves from larger predators. This same behavior has been seen in gray foxes here in Santa Cruz, California, who regularly will go and visit sites where male mountain lions are used to being and scent marking. Now the foxes rub their cheeks on the ground wherever the mountain lion has recently peed in order to odor camouflage themselves and hide from their larger predator, the coyote. In addition to this, wolves have been seen rolling in scents they find particularly interesting as a means of bringing it back to the pack, kind of saying, hey, look what I found. I mean, could you imagine if we rolled in everything we thought smelled good? I would smell like fries all the time. Additionally, in the predatory kingdom, rolling on a freshly killed carcass or a set of meat that you found is a way to mark it so that other scavengers don't come and try to hide it. It also makes it easier to go back with the pack and find it later in the environment. Packs also have kind of a weird social thing where they want to have a common scent smell as a sense of togetherness. So that could also be why they're doing it. But as far as hating baths, now that's interesting. So it turns out that things that dogs find yummy aren't things that we find yummy. Like, I don't find poop smells yummy. I don't find dead animal smells yummy. And they actually, in fact, don't find the smell of the perfumes that we use in dog shampoo that yummy. So as a result, a just bathed dog will try to find anything that smells more acceptable to them to roll in and rid themselves of that yucky soap smell that we love. So with all that being said, the important thing to remember is that rolling around in smelly things is a natural and normal behavior for dogs. And that no matter what the result and how it may strike you or your nose, you really shouldn't punish them because it's them embracing their normal nature. One of the things that you can do if you do want to prevent it though is you can use what's called a recall treat. So you pick a treat that they really like or a toy that they really like, and anytime they're around one of those irresistible stinky smells, you kind of squeak it or wave it at them and it recalls their attention in time for you to be able to run away from this odorous situation. So that's it for today's Ask Auntie. Now you know more about why dogs do what they do and sometimes roll in poo. So share the knowledge, tell your friends, and remember, the truth is really only ever a question away.